parts reviews and tutorials video. Today we're going to have a look at where you find the fuses in a BMW X3. Now, like a lot of BMWs, the fuses are actually in the glove box. So if you've got the glove box full of stuff, good luck. But in the X3, it's even deeper than you think. You see that plastic panel back there? Now you can see it. See that plastic panel down there? Got a little finger hole on the top. Little notch you can grab right there, pull it out, and have a look back there. Can you believe that? Way back is where the fuses are. So, I mean, you can have a go at getting them from here, but the obvious thing to do is to take the glove box out and access them that way. And you've just got a couple of screws here, 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 and that whole compartment will then slide out, and then you'll have good access. But that's where they are, in behind the glove box. You can see them all in there.